Hello, agus fátaí Thig na Seansálaithe, mas maidin Seansa glaciad na Seansálaithe. Is me Hugh me go cheada agus téma buite leis nálas margheall an teas atá in éing fi lethir tá hotgéil summer furlaí a teachtanis a ríis bhí se blian ó hálín cindearna agus siim go méid cinile ógan ach go dtí sin tá man seo le muid cóleaci le chuid cairde ar dúspáir tá man seo le aine bhuiir aine go dtí mar tú.
Mai, buint soltas an aimsir me tí snála hÉireann agus anis go gananta pas gom gro James a sí sná cumáis go sé get bh sioí dómh sin sé das bhain mis soltas.
Dearan go tú an prúnaí tar tú sin le cethir le sin bheith oglarm agus cé tú agus cé go fuair sa tú serious shrinkage de gal ré agus a country serious shrinkage tá man seo fásta le James ó flahar de James Jimmer tú.
Yeah, come on. She does. No, because that's from Morocco though, but you know, we'll take it.
All right, okay, all right.
Yeah, hey, these was a freaky later on at the scale Instagram for the on the raw on ishki guitars. No mean. Because me and this guitars, it even anything. Which are good freaking phrase on. It's just not on, like. Just not on.
So Dini it's like she'd soft tweet like back in Dini is just
soft tweet.
Like just get on with it.
Control is food. Sit down. August be physical pain and was cost gonna shacha. Not me all on me all a kecha force in this game. August is Mayton. August I don't understand Kecha mean Dini snuff in November, August, December, January, February. It's just I don't know. Just not.
Hardcore, like as it's going Dini sort manisha Dini shinna vin dul shock and being leg. Like he fair he's a born a trial, like shock dul shock, not a bother to them. And I'd say Jane she'd imagine.
Yeah, it's like straight in, no kissing, like it's like straight shock. Some shit like cluster dip shock, nice little ice bath and then a machlum. So I'm happy out. No ball stiffage, no shrinkage at all though. It's okay. So it's good in the hospital.
No, kite to stagger agus ligand an carp chow sus. Ne bomb che being to che.
No, because that's impossible. I need the heart because you have sus with Jeffrey's on.
Leave to Hugh now, just now.
What miss just now, rare? We've now on the yas agumsif, Mr. Brass Astalum, hey? Agus you my fleer or deuce. Agus and shin chema. I don't think you're chained to us. I think go we in the carp clocked you. Leis an fucht sin go sin an differ on.
Yeah, Islín and Chasta the herp.
Yeah.
I think againn.
Yeah. Wat dinge aanklacht leis an jacuzzis ach dúspáir an cead a gaiimiid le an seachtain seo tá nuacht allworlding Tá aine galta. Cohair just aine hánig an jingar ar fád, tánig the poster Instagram agus an jigsil go mór ban. Sinna rud a tarlaí nach bé? Sinna rud a Harley?
Yeah. You were my fan go fáil fós fan.
What? No, bhí the anniversary that go bhéh bliana bhil seanis.
8 mbliain le chéalanis. You're tattoo literally gaggle.
Like
crazy.
What the hell? Like
yeah, so good. Well, dear share am dul maklet ag Spanish art. Seachtainí in éidirn búisimiíthe so cum dráis agus form with búisim as with budget prosecco lin ag sí with she submit or middle art as you ganta green pannu.
Seacht blian.
Seachtainí.
Sorry, like
Jane cards over the arms thought shock me on the beach. Now probably lumsa tongue was boxers.
What needs more on the shop lianish? What needs more on the shop liana?
Well, women are adult sizes. So
shock me on the hun the scanan a v thesis cinema. Nah. The nice guys. Finding Dory, the Kung Fu Panda 3, agus this they're like what, like chuig na Kveid Kinaku. I think we'll a couple of spin-offs with the Yaku.
The Captain Americas, agus beidir and Jungle Book.
Yeah.
live action than Jungle Book.
Like Shacht Moonlight. Sorry, shouldn't be anything Moonlight about. So sin ages on
Shin fucking Shin like
scan rule.
You like him being judged.
No, it's just
James is like
listen. Tá rudí an ga haninge and there's a couple thing there, it takes them a while to find, an dinge farfa dífa, gglachante am dífa le amsún dinge, and some people settle agus sin an rud couple
which one am I?
go happy.
no hóran a bhí mór seach nu noch in.
Oh, stop.
One dance, the Drake.
Stop.
This is what you came for. Yeah.
No! Ní hééis sin seach bliana.
Panda, the designer.
Panda. Againn broad.
Closer than the Chainsmokers.
God.
Yeah.
Bhí sé genú ard test in bhí sé déag. Sin
because of bbliain ar gúlsa.
bhí, yeah.
Lovely in Mochu in 2014, maybe we should really smart like.
Bhí the whole cliché sin gur ríú fríd in scáil.
Agus agus gachart, some say I'm 3 degrees hotter because Mochu's edges.
And by some people, you mean yourself.
Yeah, Ashin na hain.
Yeah, agus mom.
Agus mó wamlí.
Patú 3 degrees níos teo.
Yeah.
Stop.
Do you have a reception of her mother fast mom with down the masters? Mom like, you're 3 degrees hotter, James. So I'm like, don't you ever forget it, girl. Slay.
Oh my god. Na Claire had television hannig ma and Ked's right the Fleabag, right? And Ked's right the Stranger Things. The Stranger Things Koshan Ledochadriv.
Oh my god.
The Crown. To the Crown Koshan Ledochadriv. People versus OJ Simpson. Shaw actually like not Niama Gary Oglachar art, right? Niama a plan at Ogaman Shaw.
Do you just her in the leor cake with Shan's one way, to be honest?
Yeah.
Well, that's great, man. The mission you shouldn't know. So
well, to my bracelets to chat to us, so
just yeah, won't get you.
Go Malashkel. Bay
sassy, yeah, I like
it. To Anna sassy. Bay Eagrán actually, because to be my bracelet like Chichmarine. Or Áine, not Áine. So be Eagrán uair than the Seachtainí chart ma ar mo bhréithla. So níamag ra gaiis féin rud dhéanú, níamag ra gaiis ein deal mór genú mahas ach busin jazz ach put it. No, but I mean but buta jazz tá near that se bheith. But níamag ra na Jenny wink ach daro
sorry Kit was going to be near my geisha. Sorry, what?
Good one, James.
Mis anna cool go Malashkel. Mis có cool agus có tursa fásta. Yeah, I'm just going flex yanu gromig Eurovision. I think Vision and rud is cool a Harley do la anuas. So kaima a flexal chumininic agus is féidir.
You're walking to each other in the act.
Hánig ma laithe. So chuoi mas sta Thig hí cadm go sta Thig an Ked rehearsal an grand final. So chuoi mas staach ar fá tumblebug agus hánig ma like an Ked chin Jake Yapam Swiss Gajin Austral I think was in kin Jarna Wakama. So hánig ma Finland, hánig ma Sweden, hánig ma Austral Céile sin Belgium I think bhí siad non revasta agus bhí sé craic mai, but bhí sé áit é chafad gan cos ní an ach ar a seoir agus like criú dí mar sin cos bhí cadig daoine dul Thig rehearsals eile like bhí cadig like loch féitheanta canna ticketí le haid na rehearsals eile agus but bhí sé ansí fu just eáil na shows mór seo and then just like better like chéad daoine sin being like woo like my shiv or whatever like bhí sé riínta Bhí sé take bhí. But yeah, no tháinig má couple in action. Tháinig má Jedward.
I know go beef at a Jedward, but the cast ain't going to act the
Jedward man. Ní much courage níos mó. Agus leanan cinna go mé ar TikTok. Sinna rud is massively.
Where the Harley le Jedward?
Okay.
Just ní agus at the DM leis.
Yeah, but not digging to Keiko agus atá sin, because current Jedward DMs agus Snapchats hig feckin' ahanlinne. Chuir cin hiag ahanlinne. Seachas mission ding óhain sílam sa dón nachhar checks ó Jedward.
No, safe to say, you were mission text with Jedward.
I know, but
I think it was really weird having text with Jedward.
It was a full sogum actually. It's kind of vicious around it from could súil. It was kind of like intense.
So kinna wanyaku, right? Now some ken Jed na word could be kinaku. Lanan kinaku me or TikTok agus hermisha chaktracht hoku le re Jimmertashiv mission Shaw leorfol la jo.ie must moilat aglavianu is virgin kinny anu kan fiber reach and student tashiv seer ghosted go homeland ghosted Taushe Maru Vima Creve Rishta Ní Wang Shin Herma chat hoku freed Lehana Joe Foster because you must hear on Instagram logins lay and needs offigal because obviously we had just mbliain hain like agus Herma chat della hoku lever like hey shock you Herma chat hoku freed TikTok with my garage in kincha and bush seer high aglav ein rod you ein rod ein fragra so
what should the message though
Niana should differ. I'm telling you.
Because more walk that means go spam folder.
Yeah, but they've been cheating a goal here in phones, obviously, because crying should nerd an hour. Neil, that's bug chance knock walk she did.
Yeah, fair enough.
Permission message, Dimeshman message, of course, she'd hug him. So, via shock to Eagrán, via hÉireann. Yeah, loving your luminous eyes. You have flawless eyes. Like
luminous eyes.
Blue. I don't know. Can't I go walk she'd mcuntis like Neil Annan she'd me. Like it was weird.
No, I think we should just run out got a doctor what that's so luminous ad.
Yeah. There's the flash ad.
Should just either no where should
crazy. Yeah. Absolutely crazy. But yeah, no. So yeah,
so catch it gachtan Hugh na. Key a costu ain't on the act first of all. No. Okay. Agus chorí do lutin go to dini rehearsal. And chain didn't my get fear said a walk to rehearsal now a walk to Israel.
In Israel.
What do you mean? Fucking Israel for the win.
Israel bombing countries.
No, but see, Neil James a can't flee and cheer.
Yeah, we bomb on, all right.
I know.
Sex bombing.
She was hot. I should have had Greg Milo. Ain't fog caddo cushion best mortars as not like double in my opinion.
It is double standards. It is. It's Homeland apology. I guess shouldn't flager call Aaron give me gate is Marielle and apology because not Marielle growing crack not growing or
on Israel Gamal. I don't think it is, man.
I think we'd be James Gurker or mute.
He was just Titsman raw.
Slow motion.
And
Sheelan Tussig run Cartig Loreen Boken to no or an Ella hand small yeah Mariana
Finland no he's fair.
No. Being on the shore Sweden. Let's be real here.
No. Not a chance.
Being on the shore Sweden.
Be less stone on why you may and Carlington or
Estonia. Yes. Visha why. No, like Hanik like an hour in a week Sweden. Near Milo Euphoria undisputed banger. Undisputed Kevin Gates.
Euphoria and or on the shore a rave of Eurovision.
Well
he's fair now Waterloo Lava.
Yeah.
Fair not. Or
whoa,
hot
take. He's fair now. Hold me now, Johnny Logan.
Jeez, where's Johnny? Here's a shout out to Neve.
Yeah. Was mar gur sin thing eile ar bu é faoi ó ag feiceáil iad beá agus in si de feiceáil iad le sa slú agus a bhí gal ré. Definitely Finland was an cin a bhí beart de mé bu acu, cos for siad san funse jags, for siad an top score ó 8 cheerjag a richen bhá a publi agus ní bhuair Finland é ó 1 cheer. It was only marall ar na bhátí a thug an jury dífa sinna fágarún bu acu sa jeú. Obviously bhí leor daoine leis an public vote le iad chur trasnan an líine, but it was like, I think we should be like, chéad punche acu on public vote, agus we like 3 8 punche ag Finland sa public vote. So yeah, I think real cos ten fin the lads ó ABBA and sin fánach leis an grad am a hort da Lorraine agus vi teisha chuig blian ó hí an bua ag ABBA mbliain shugging. So it's kind of like, it's a bit too...
No,
you know what I mean?
No. Being overall sure. Like Spotify, like what you go to vacation or on Sweden, no that Finland.
Literally a géisiil or on Finland and
No.
It's a dancey tune like.
Ik siúil seachtainí náfik, ik siúil maithas náfik. Bhí más
that. Possibly place James again.
Class.
Bhí má ra James no harm, but níamach chun ghlacu the arms cear chaú gar leat
go bheith feirste.
Go bheith feirste, so you know.
An or an cobrónach.
Yeah, because that's what you want to feel when you're driving.
Down the country route. Connemara country music.
Oh my god.
Everything in Sweden, everything Israel, agus everything Finland. That was my vote.
No.
And I think that's popular vote there.
Well, in ceart go Hugh Modula, like I'd say grow Eurovision a Giri or Lorraine Boken too. She was a perfect fit.
Absolutely.
The headlines who he bua yet or Sweden. So Nishta should learn level can made bua via Garen.
Yeah.
Passed out. So it's a bit sus.
Anna sus. Anna sus.
The Russian ta or and saki Sacha ma inchin on Saturn.
Can
yeah. No hing father on the hyper show.
Do you know what the cap ma? Germany absolutely robbed. Near Carcame Germany and can Egabon.
A team. He was kind of cool.
Fish are deadly. Heavy metal lads.
Astral. It's random national Astral Gudard like death metal lava tree.
Yeah, we like metal breakdown a Lion Road. Because what we think Sean Road is crackle if we so ní Roma Gurk earn gcomórtas so like media center. So if media center acu is basically like warehouse more of your cool and stacha or cool and arena agus vi in the Irishore your fad in on covered and show o an etchin agus a natural run press conference with mission. She was like fuck that Nimahun Dolinshin because like Nive and crack on so Huema Haig and fan village next like Hogue should basically stage all wars with the inoculation arena like and show agus you can cost like Kilcher and be obvious the extremely the master speakers all workshop agus the bring my glán jammer there can punch if money anu the marad there's a good fall.
You should also go to a electric picnic shouldn't dark
Bisha an chasula sin Bisha an chasula sin agus vi think you just call fian that cha shouldn't really annoying that one on Janu Kivne or Kane punch if you a Janu. I'm about literally like clock about last year or number.
You're in Australs from Garman.
Sorry. Yes. I think we'll Kivne or Gajay Simachon country. Yeah, dingy like be like dingy just a straddle basically in Tamer Fod. Like we agus na Sanyali. Shin rod from Glara. Bhí Sanyali and Shin a bhí Isaku ahan oran Hanafein agus bhí like ag dul like ahan le Asia because bhí ring like lagani beod da oran saku like ag village solar where should share higgin arena agus tá like Eurovision like fanatics on. Like vís gom go daoine on a me agus bhí an análas acu na bliantí sfeithart agus na artists ar fád agus ruí mar sin ach like na bhí sin bhí daoine ceol na fáclar fád le achan áran sular fiú bhí tar staite le grand final like just tá is an cin de dear seachtainge is fian a bhí meid rio.
As we're just going on Latin, nor dinner be lat.
Yeah. So bhí má lomhain agus an sin buama le daoine as éireann hálan sin.
Nid strantry via the be real.
Yes. Na strantry lochan puchtú ar mar bhí real agus fásta buama le éireann in Eurovision agus like rib jarnaí bhí muid senim like Oasis in like chicken shop ar leir like Bold Street basically i learfáil agus tá fi an agam dá because obviously cai a rud a bheith taped but bhí bhí just like tá daoine hálan sin có cardil ar aonnos like obviously tá éireann cardil but na bhí mis lomhain ag genú tafaidir daoine like geir lord a daoine bhí daoine like chats was thugam sa de gra like na tá genú in airing like like scary like full element clock like a chodalí dhéanú ach hálan sin bhí a haninge ag geirí lordlumm agus a geirí bheith mar fars an craic agus a geirí like bhí sé jazz.
Yeah.
Hugh.
That's problem canning suku. Oh.
Scouses.
We said the chuig ví tú in Liverpool.
Yeah.
Níocht tú Anfield.
James. Fit the criú bhriste.
Tá actually disappointed.
What?
Níor am agam le gaga Anfield go baile Liverpool. Níor am agam.
Like Cree on Chahar Anfield.
Is it really
Liverpool and Water.
I was gonna say Liverpool one is definitely Cree Lair and Car agus the Docks because we were sin. Tá Anfield like Hamil Mahid sin.
No, tomorrow Cree on Chahar. Me Cree more car. Cree.
Yeah.
The heartbeat. And there was a haggin winter Liverpool like HÉireann.
And Duggan does a talk here?
Loch Gorman. Who cat hope on odds in Anfield. Instead, winter the HÉireann not conditional. You come on.
What are you talking about?
No, let him cook. Let him cook.
As far as Loch Gorman, who can tall hope that he I think I don't know, we should edit show that dark I didn't really know the fact of I just around it.
Tá brónarm ach háir nuama go Anfield hí nómarcógam le anú ar an dónach.
I wouldn't mind that. There's not that. I could be real. There's not that.
There's two, but
Anfield.
Near Dabrition was scheduled though. That's
like V Hugh over.
V may go over. Huckle agus sin bhí like PCL agam le genu. Ach bhí so yeah no ní Roman on ní amogam. Ach an céadar eile tama in Liverpool could be your Harley and Shin be Rahamich Anfield. Galamdage nish céadar eile tama in Liverpool. Rahamich go Anfield.
Ní just ask that the finish.
Tá brónarm.
No.
Tá brónarm. And Rahimuj though, and Rahimuj go Sweden am líon chugainn, and Yannimuj Eurovision am líon chugainn.
Sure, darle Twitter that was it was a cost on.
Oh yeah, sorry, yeah, there's K there Teresa grow much kind of a
Owen Finn.
Yeah.
Like a cartoon yeah, and I'm jogging. Like honestly, Nirhani Dustin or in Scotland, I can't in it.
Semi-finals
agus like Sean dói ekin and Doinwood. A turkey, a dirty old turkey. No, don't get me wrong. We just need talking to be much in our body. Everyone kinda hold us all.
It's an odd Kieran to Ganis or on like Eurovision committee in there in ish. So we been past they get like bli on the wine agus sinna bliana ar cheall seo just in the turkey go Jean Eurovision agus sin níró se ganasar fá tomol agus nusta se ganasar le linn jaip blian agus sin it's like an record is massive talking le like le blianti basically. So
well, at least my been actually Atkinson down well at least Europe at least I was brand new delicious.
But you're tan bloody doing the leg is die houden is er cool to doing grocery like was it England no UK Ukraine Europe and Australia voting is now open go fada like is new tears America she have no glue
The UK is Europe. That's how Ukraine.
what UK Brexit honey
They voted themselves
Well, they
out.
can't move from the continent.
no but she did just but sure they're not on the continent.
But like they're in European the continent Europe. It's one continent.
Like it no but an fág si ra UK is Ukraine because hí in UK mar hosts agus bhí ban ó Ukraine am cumáim mar láthir just like bheith mar onadí ó Ukraine because bhuaigh siad an gcomórtas. Bhí si just ard den dátíir sin as an sin siad and Europe and Australia. Just a mouthful.
Cocker scale. Because we're just Europe.
Had to be there.
You can't get aimed in a UK rod any stage ever.
No.
Ní ceart a bhá?
Just you shouldn't really utter UK idiom.
I know. So just dachar the Sasan Alban agus an bhatan bheith go rá.
Damn right. No, the crack my on though. Agus I think Jenny Madrid Kane size Aaron and Yanning though. I think the Yanning with Aaron cost la chat. That'll be my fucking I'm telling you. Mr. in the decks, I'd be having a blast.
I think three style different things. So basically 3 in 1 go on thing. Go touch it off na Áine cost Orkins poppy baser, new baser fucking tradition. And then goes like a Hugh, and I don't have a fucking clue what it is a Hugh because this is now going everywhere. I'd say a big enough to heavy metal.
No,
and then for the finale, on a sad country to bring everyone down, and that's how we win.
It's going to be medley, really.
Yeah,
I'm kind of seeing
just like
okay, Hugh
was on a roller coaster of emotions of Huskadini, and then they'd feel everything is basically like
going crazy.
I'm seeing top vision ogum fushonish. I'm seeing like Hugh
Eurovision.
I just did it to myself. So Hugh in the decks, James Jenny rap, and then he comes to the chorus of Canus Laura, like real Eminem, Rihanna style, but Triguelga. And to the decks real adult. He's at the Crown Kiol Hanhin.
Like exactly they didn't more Collins Connemara Hishkins it is imagine Kevin Mosh on a rap on.
Well, Darrow none
doing the veil.
Darrow Des Bishop on the Yenu agus and lad been a rapper la kneecap or baggies or antalu mat a session in on a Yenu faster than the Seansa MC Muppet the Seansa gahaning you and rapper Hishkint. Sure ni kai to a Hishkint rain those because
the going in a horn is session on a kin of Canandini Jangus Okuhin could be.
Yeah,
so
Israel. I think there's actually Maryland as well.
Visha Merla, yeah, unicorn. Shouldn't horn of you.
Oh yeah, Visa like Kennedy stupid.
Camera or on
the power of the unicorn.
So
the power of nothing.
Or in the Bratton Loffa, yeah.
Fucking real.
Yeah, we are on what do you call it? And I wrote a song.
Like
la 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 la.
Only drop can Shakas and Uri the Sam Ryder, but that was a fluke. Can on my watch Gemini.
Yeah. Listen, early I've been shit since the final Hamnian, so
yeah, actually I got equal though.
Yeah. Actually, I think it's
funding in Eurovision. So if I've been to go in the final,
I was gonna say I think you think going Carter good.
Yeah, Eatain and Rank and Spawn and Garman as an idol, you can shoot a
Better you know the game Jingy Jenish. They're changing the
Shack tier. He's so arguing about and gcomórtas.
Shannon 5 of the only goni.
In fact, it's so soon.
He goes oral marker stuff now. That could do it as well.
Listen,
Catherine Martin and Tarek Delegata Lavusa to the arts satire show just to her mass and tier.
And Banachol there's thing gur charting a Hyalu is the scratch. We'll have go over the scratch.
No.
Pashid unreal. It's lads a bhreá ar fad a bheith like in metal bands basically agus an sin but then bhí the boscal le rudí acoustic ar fad so na sin siad like acoustic like folksy like rock like kind of metal tá unbelievable tá like absolutely deadly Seála me a couple of track of Bishop's and furfa le ha Eurovision during sa so I know in the trepidation in any sort of but Jering and vibe taku is absolutely furfa le ha Eurovision like lads just glockún piss being pure silly like neurohonic machine bia and being static glaces was more like antivasti da Uglish agus vi no shapel agus vi like you know like an altar agus and crosser but in cross vi sha more Guinness keg so a lair arni push it Suezgajin and cross and they pull it down agus feel pinta Guinness aku a mahasin rud so that's just perfect. I can listen. I know ní hééis sin a vibe tógam se, but I think about sin.
Speechless fi láthair. Níos chun céir.
Well, cumní go James, cumní go an cad gig chuimid in ag EP in there.
I'd say which I ought to keep here back from because I don't want to relive it. Aberlum.
And Banachal 100 gex. Have you
the drum if you still attend to the kneecap on?
Yeah.
Yeah, oh god, yeah. Jesus Christ. They are fucking precious moments of my life I'll never get back.
Abby, this is a vibe a lot. Hold on a second. I believe everything orange stupid.
You know,
Nah, man. You weren't into it, but then there has the Shannon stupid horse. That's
stupid horse. Oh yeah, that was a fucking bomb. Yeah, definitely.
Dirbala.
Yeah, you know what? I take back. No. You know what? Like 90% go home. Be my like moments I'll never get back. Then the whole like, stupid horse thing. My like, you know what? This kind of makes up for things.
Absolute bangers, banger.
Which I shouldn't actually really grand. I'm actually raw. I think Roma, like going here, Iantasarm, could care to be my ekel as a chlustal. Agus, be my just get a Tishkins Roma actually chlustal. So yeah, we could learn. Yeah, you shouldn't. It's especially me on.
Jim Gwishin and Dice Fire like Hershey's or Kinder gigs 100 gex, honestly.
Yeah.
One mission ansalt us anyway. I know.
I'll give you a lose love, which I like a dull slug.
Yeah,
really low. So basically, I'm still like I'm a holog as well. I'm a Pringle day like.
You should go slender beat America as you did the color or speaker.
No, I'd say much impossible to go on now in fairness.
Yeah.
Yeah, but she's in Dakar now. We're very old.
Absolute banger. But I think a guy much re because with your father I agree, yeah, I think. Well James Harbaugh, but the thing be Gurker fishing the fact with James Glaze to the high train, I'll feel like her. Just flex the muscles.
Just Timo from Portland right there right now. Busy weekend ahead.
Hugh Grahitronona Marta Quinu Ella.
Neal Cunha Ogum. How many times?
You chat Saul.
Being Cunha at Hugh. Was I gonna do is Hugh? Because we should actually go to Cunha let in now we should even get to Cunha let. Like he's just a date man. He's a serial
dater.
Serial dates. You know what? Should have a breakfast brand Hugh serial dates.
I think with me Mystic Hugh Latin on tá sé Cunha mar change your
No.
Ireland fuiá. I think Ireland fuiá go mar Cunha agus ní arrosum gur Cunha bhí.
Oh my god.
Sinead in the Seansálaithe must find Thig Jaguar link or the man hosted how much or the Seansálaithe or Twitter, the Seansálaithe or Instagram, the Seansálaithe or YouTube is againn Áine galanta agus James Muir Park agus and fish cearna fecal or Spotify agus budget amsú or could be ella a wine chip for good phodchraoladh. But the Gary Áine amsú and the man hosted that she more anywhere or Instagram, anywhere or Twitter, anywhere or TikTok. But the Gary James amsú Tasha or Park Pella in Gadiv feel her. Shouldn't know him at the Gary amsú. Yeah, so he's the swamp. I'm sure in the man Hoshilte that he able to yell flahartach or Twitter, flahartach or Instagram, agus flahartach or TikTok, as my Gary Mahena Amshu, Tama or Hugh Carr here or Twitter, Hugh Carr here or Instagram, as Hugh Carr or TikTok. Na Jenny Jarma, ticket fall or file, la high fail na galley, agus Virginia HN show bia and shin, agus much figure out ma Kane or this bar Kajita Magianu, agus Darrod. Well, actually, no time plan because to have gas.
Sin rá go anseach in the tree.
Yeah, I smile and vibe sin car mark nach will aim plan again. Like I mentioned the be my Jenny Ruddy Ella in my sales.
So class and it's funny.
Bisha Hannah funny. Agus Matt the Gary my jam should have running at Ella then I know just to refast looking. No, it was much really the Seachtainí at gmail.com as the Gary in Ruddy off a gillicker hugging. Right. Ein rud aige gamage flogas summer chain much.
Go gratitude.
Oh me the shock on voice to realize oh yeah
agus had Terry for looking. Agus Shaw a phone number James Nudge Hawks.
Seach the new hands really need.
What category should I go edit?
Yeah, I don't care.
Dúnéad an na seachtainí bunig is chair seachtaine agus le rás an agrainn sugainn leis agrainn nua the seachtainí. Slán!